We'll just give it a minute or two for part 2, making Kitchari with Moji Masala, JD and Shireen. Just give people a couple of minutes or a minute or so to join. At this point, we've been cooking the Kitchari for almost 35 minutes. As you can see, all the water has been absorbed into the Kitchari. It smells delicious.
Yeah, and so it's pretty thick. It's very, like a thick oatmeal or porridge, whatever you want to call it. Like that. Yeah, that's how we like it. This was a little wet 2 minutes ago, and it does thicken after a few minutes. So always cook it. A lot of dals in general, cook them a little waterier than you prefer them, because they will kind of, continue to cook and absorb water a little bit off heat.
Hi, Lammy.
So yeah, so this is it. And our sweet potatoes, maybe we can give them a little peek. Our sweet potatoes are still, we should try this. Okay, so there you go. So there's the bay leaf. You can, all those little black bits, JD, if you want to show.
Hi, Ashley. Ashley's back.
Are the toasted black mustard seeds, cumin, coriander. I'll try a little. Yummy. I forgot to add salt right before adding the water, or after adding the water, but before you boil it, basically. So I did put it in off camera, a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust as you like. A teaspoon for us is just the right amount, but if you like it, kind of brings all the flavors together. I'm gonna have JD try it here.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Let me see. Oh, it's delicious.
Yeah.
I love Kitchari. Like I said, I eat it 75 to 100.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then we're just roasting our sweet potatoes in there. We're just gonna get them nice and soft and just use them as a topping. And we'll show you the plated version at the end if you're interested.
Definitely.
That's it.
Anybody
Hot
any
dish, half hour, cleanse. Start the new year right.
And this whole dish costs maybe $5, $6, and it could literally feed you for 2-3 meals. So I don't think you can eat any better or any cheaper than this, actually. But does anybody have
Even
any,
organically.
Even organically. Anybody have any questions while we're here? Otherwise, we'll come back and post the plated dish on the stories later. No?
Thank
Okay.
you.
Have a great day, everybody. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Good luck if you do try this. Good luck with the cleanse. I'm going to say bye.
It smells like gas, doesn't it?